this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make 3 easy woodworking projects that I sell at the farmer's market. So let's go ahead and get started. I started by planing a piece of poplar, then trimming it down to about 24 inches. I headed over to the table saw and cut it to 7 inches square. Next, I cut 4 pieces to 1 inch square. These are for the feet. I put the feet on 1/2 inch in from each side. This next project is extremely simple, but I sell a lot of these at the farmer's market. All I do is cut a 3/8 inch piece of cedar to 4 inches square, sand it, and put some polyacrylic on it. The final project is a serving tray. All the links for the boards are in the description. The blocks that hold up the handles are 1 inch in from each side. Well, that does it for this video. Hope you liked it. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.